rolling. Yeah, it almost fell down there.
Sorry,
I grabbed it quick.
Thank you very much. I'm going to Cape Town.
Cape Town, yes.
We are on the way to the plane. Hey, it's Leo. Welcome back. And part 3 of my video of our trip to South Africa. Now, if you've watched my previous 2 videos, you'll know that my partner Sean is from South Africa. He is now living with me in Melbourne. But late last year, we went on holiday to South Africa. It was my first time meeting his friends and his family. And in this video, we head from Port Elizabeth to Cape Town and then on to Bloemfontein, where Sean grew up. Now, this part of our trip was a bit of a disaster. Our plane was late leaving Port Elizabeth, so when it arrived in Cape Town, of course, we missed the connecting flight. Keep in mind, we had about 2 hours leeway from when we landed in Cape Town to when we took off to Bloemfontein. So we thought that was plenty of time, but not enough time for the national carrier AirLink. The second time we had issues with a connecting flight. So because we missed the flight from Cape Town to Bloemfontein, we had to wait 7 hours at the airport. Now keep in mind, we were with Sean's dad, who's elderly. He was tired. He just wanted to get home to Bloemfontein. So we had about 7 hours at the airport, which was, oh my God, it was just a nightmare. Anyway, here is some footage of us at Mug and Bean having a coffee, waiting for several hours for our connecting flight. Hey everyone. We are at Cape Town Airport. We're at Mug and Bean. And babe, what's happened? Hang on, Hurricane's gone. What's happened?
Our flight was delayed and now we've been booked on a later flight. Now
And what time
we're stuck in Cape Town until 4:30, 4:50.
And that's in about 5 hours. So someone's not happy.
No.
We're both not happy, and Ian is tired and wants to get home. So anyway,
I'm over it.
He's over it. So we're in Cape Town. We're not in Bloemfontein yet. The flight's been delayed. 5 hour wait into the next one. Fun. Oh, and also we're supposed to have dinner with family tonight. That's been cancelled until tomorrow night. So yeah, we're now in Bloem for 3 and a bit days instead of 4 and a bit days. We are on our way. That's our checked-in luggage. And we're waiting on to board Ian. And we're going to Bloem.
Finally.
So finally we landed in Bloemfontein, and our first stop was to Sean's dad's place. Because we landed about 7 p.m, we dropped him off that night, but the next morning we went over to his place to basically check things out, make sure everything was okay. And I did a bit of cleaning for Sean's dad, and I also sorted out his pantry as well. And I done some weeding at the back. From his back doorstep to his washing line, there were all these weeds. So I went to work and got rid of all those weeds for Sean's dad. That night we had a gorgeous dinner with Sean's dad. Also, I met Sean's other brother, Kevin, for the first time with his wife Annika and their 2 girls. And the food at New York restaurant was fantastic. Now, I was quite lucky in Bloemfontein because one of my friends, Jason, who lives in the US, was on holiday at the same time in South Africa. So it was perfect timing to finally catch up with Jason. We've been Facebook friends for many years. He's a massive Kylie Minogue fan like myself. So we had a lovely lunch at Mug and Bean with Jason, caught up on all his news or the goss or the Kylie goss. So it was so lovely meeting Jason for the first time. And this is a quick video. We had a gorgeous dinner with Sean's brother Kevin, his wife Annika, and their girls. Great seeing them again for dinner. And it was great to finally meet more of Sean's friends and their gorgeous cat. Here's Sean and I at Bloemfontein Airport on our way to Cape Town, where after a few weeks of seeing family and friends, it was just a week for us in Cape Town alone. I was so looking forward to going to Cape Town. But unfortunately, more drama would await us. But more on that in part 4 of our holiday to South Africa. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos.